Hey, Math 7 students, I hope you're excited. It is your last con before quiz 3 and then your unit test. We're almost done with this unit. Last one, here we go. All right, equivalent expressions with negative numbers, multiplication and division. So here is what you're doing with this one. You've got to find out which equation is equivalent to this right here, okay? So you have to make sure the answer is exactly the same as this one. Well, the first thing I do is I look at my negatives. I've got one negative here, so I know my answer's got to be negative. Well, this one's negative. This one's negative. So it could be either one of those two. Then, 12 is, if you don't see a fraction, 12 is a numerator. 12's got to be on the top, and 2's got to be on the top. And the only number that should be on the bottom is 5. So if you look here, we've got 2 that would be on the top, 12 would be on the top, so that's okay, and 5 is on the bottom. So since we know the negative is correct, this answer would be correct. Now we got to check this one out. 2 is on the top, so that's good, but we need 12 on the top. 12 is on the bottom here, so that's not okay. The 5's on the bottom, so it works, but the only thing is that 12 is on the bottom, so that one doesn't work. So our only answer for this one is letter A. Moving on to the next one. Now, notice I've got three negatives, so my answer will be negative. So let's first check how many negatives. 1, 2, 3. So this one is a negative. This one is 1, 1, 1, 2 negatives, so that would be a positive. So that one can't be right. So only A could be right. So I have a 9.7 times 0.8 times 7.8 times 3.8. 9.7 times 0.8 times 7.8 times 3.8. So notice I didn't even worry about the negatives because I already knew the negatives lined up. So again, letter A in this one works for us. All right, one last one here before I set you free. All right, so on this one, we need an expression equivalent to this. Well, first of all, we have to do parentheses first, order of operations. What is 5 minus 3? 2, yeah, good. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 times a negative 2 would be negative 4. So we need an answer that totals up to negative 4. All right? Well, what is negative 6 and negative 10 equal? So wait, if I owe my brother $10 and I owe my sister $6, altogether I owe $16. Well, that doesn't equal negative 4, so that one can't work. All right. This one, negative 10 plus 6. So if I owe my mother $10, but I have $6 to pay her, I don't have enough to pay her off completely. In fact, how much do I fall short? Oh, I fall short $4. Hey, that's what it should be. That's our answer right there. There you go, and that's how you do it. Guys, last con, nail this one, do the quiz. Of course, I'm there for office hours to help you. Let's nail it, let's get it done, and then your unit test coming up soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.